think the gray one might be my favorite. Hush, Bob. Let me spot. You already know I'm talking about these chickens. I have two black ones, Emily and Emma. White one's Snowflake. This one's Chop. These are two roosters. The gray one, that gray one right there is the hen. We're not gonna have 4 roosters. We're gonna have to do something about get rid of Bob and Spot or get rid of these two. There's a lot of options. There's a lot. There's so many. A lot of decisions. We have to make one of the decisions to do with them. But it's funny if they grew. If we had these roosters, they all grew up, and there was just chaos. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. And then they're just crowing. All of them were crowing, but that's what they get. Whatever. There's still so many large amount of big options we have to do. They keep these two, keep the black one, give away that white one, give away Bomb Spot. So we got a lot of decisions to make. Alright, that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.